Students, now I want to discuss problem of exercise 6.3 of NCERT, and this problem is based on the concept of similarity of two triangles. So my dear student, in problem number 4 it is given that in figure 6.36 QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. PQS similar to TQR. Since QR by QS is equal to QT by PR is equal to QT by PR, it is given in this problem. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we have to prove triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. In triangle PQR, try to understand. PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ. So PQ is equal to PR. Now QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And just PR can be written as PQ. So QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. And angle Q is common. So the triangle PQR and TQS both are similar by SAS similarity criteria. So my dear students, in this way we can solve this problem. Now see, in problem number 5 of NCERT and problem number 2 of this study material, S and T are points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS, so that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. My dear student, in triangle RPQ and RST, RTS is equal to QPS given. RTS is equal to QPS given. Angle R is equal to R common. So triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS by a similarity condition. In problem 6 of this NCERT and problem number 3 of this study material, in figure 6.3c, if triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, so that triangle AD similar to triangle ABC, it is given that triangle AB congruent to ACD. So AB is equal to AC by CPCT and AD is equal to AE and AD is equal to AE by CPCT. So now here in triangle AD and ABC, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, angle A is common, so triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC by SAS condition. By SAS condition. My dear student, AB is equal to AC. Triangle ABE similar to ACD. ACD. So by CPCT, AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. It is clear. So now my dear student, in this way we can solve problem number 5 and problem number 6. Now we want to solve problem number 8 of this book NCERT and 4 of this study material. E is a point on the side AD produced. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F so that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. In triangle ABE and CFB, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram, and AEB is equal to CBF, alternate interior angles, as AE parallel to BC. This shows that triangle AB similar to triangle CFB by a similarity condition. My dear student, now as I feel mostly problem will be solved by a similarity condition. Now problem 5 is very, very important. In figure 6.38, altitudes AD and C of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P so that triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP, ABD similar to triangle CBE, triangle AEP similar to ADB, triangle PDC similar to triangle BC, So my dear student, these 4 problems are very, very important, and all the problems will be solved by a similarity condition. For clear-cut conception, you must solve this problem one by one. My dear students, I hope you will do it. You will apply my suggestions. Now, see in figure 1, in triangle AEP, and triangle CDP, what do you observe? AEP 90 degree and CDP 90 degree, and angle APE is equal to PDC or CPD, vertically opposite angles. Hence, by using a similarity condition, triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. In triangle ABD and in triangle CBE, what do you observe? Angle ADB is equal to CB 90 degree, and angle ABD is equal to angle CB common. Hence, by using a similarity criteria, triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Now in figure 3, AEP and triangle AEP and ADB and AEP. This angle is 90 and also angle ADB is 90, and this is common. DAB and PA is common. So by a similarity condition, here we can see that triangle AEP and triangle ADB both are similar. Lastly, in triangle PDC and BEC, you may solve this problem by, since here angle PDC is equal to BEC 90 degree, angle PCD is equal to angle BC common angle. Hence, by using a similarity criteria, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. My dear student, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यह बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है कंसेप्ट मजबूत करने के लिए, और मैं तो कहता हूँ ट्रायंगल का ऑर्डर लिखने के लिए, जिसकी मैं यहाँ चर्चा करना चाहता हूँ. AEP similar to CDB, so AEP similar to CDP, angle A is equal to angle C. because it is third angle. So A equal to C. A is first position, so C is first position. Angle A is 90 degree, angle D is 90 degree. So E is at second, so D is second. Angle P, vertically opposite angle, and both are APE, CPD. So P coincides with P. So in this way, P is equal to P, not coincide. So triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. In this way, we will maintain the order also of this triangle. So my dear students, now I want to solve problem number 5, problem number 9 of this book of NCERT, and study material problem number 6. In figure 6.39, this is figure 6.39. ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. Right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar to AMP and CA by PA. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So my dear students, in triangle ABC and AMP, what do you observe? ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90, and angle AMP is also 90. Angle A is common, so triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP by A criteria. So CA by PA, CA 90 डिग्री के सामने में, इधर 90 डिग्री के सामने में इसमें AP, तो CA बाई AP. BC एंगल A के सामने में BC, एंगल A के सामने में BC, और एंगल A के सामने में MP, so BC by AP. In this way, we can solve problem number 9 and problem number 6 of study material. In next video, I will solve the other problem also. Thank you very much.